Welcome to Dropshipping with Ordoro, a streamlined way to connect with your suppliers, automate fulfillment, and keep your operations running smoothly. The best way to get started? Connect your e-commerce store. We'll automatically import your products and orders, giving you everything you need to set up dropshipping in just a few clicks. From there, you can easily assign suppliers to your products and build automation rules to auto-route orders to the correct supplier every time. Prefer to review orders before they go out? No problem. You can choose to manually review each dropship order or fully automate the process based on product, supplier, or custom rules. The choice is yours. Want to make supplier communication seamless? With Ordoro supplier portals, your merchants or suppliers can log in, view and fulfill orders, and pass tracking information back, all without emails or spreadsheets. Everything lives right inside the Ordoro system. Pair dropshipping with our inventory app and take things even further. Suppliers can enter stock levels into their Ordoro portal, and that inventory automatically syncs to all linked merchant portals, so everyone stays up to date. Have a developer on your team? Use Ordoro's API to connect your dropshipping workflows to any system, even your supplier's own website. From manual control to full automation, Ordoro's dropshipping features are built to flex with your business. Connect your store, assign your suppliers, and start dropshipping smarter, all from one platform.